Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
You can do it immediately. But unfortunately it will not be. What can be done? It is a story, I will narrate it. One poor man was begging on the street, and Lord Shiva and Parvati was passing as ordinary man. So Parvati requested Lord Shiva that this poor man is asking, is begging, so requesting him, why don't you give him something? And Lord Shiva replied, even if I give, he will not be able to enjoy. He is so unfortunate. All that is achieved, why don't you give? So Lord Shiva, in a watermelon, gave him, say, $1,000. Take this watermelon. So he thanked him, and after that, he thought, what I shall do with this watermelon? So another man came, said, if you take this watermelon and give me 1 anna. So he gave 1 anna and he took it. Because he had no good fortune to take that money within the water. Our fortune is like that. Krishna is giving us the final benefit.